Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Boy Wonder.
It's COSSOM.
Drizzy.
Hold up. I get money, I get paper, I get girls all different flavors. I buy Gucci, I buy Prada, I spend dollar after dollar. I get money, I get paper, I get girls all different flavors. I buy Gucci, I buy Prada, I spend dollar after dollar.
Y'all don't really like me, I can understand. My flow is sitting right inside the pocket on my pants. I'm still fly, you can't float. Run this shit, you same boat. I write your favorite records, all you sing ghosts. 20,000 for a verses, all routine quote. I'm getting rich, all you staying broke. Chillin' even if I'm in a goose down coat. I can't see you through the Mosley tribes, so I don't even flinch when you throw me high fives. They try to measure up, but there's no on my size. Whatever 40 smoking bout to lower my eyes. Beast mode on them, I never take a night off. Every single thing a nigga purchases a write-off. Grounded as the runway payment, I'm taking flight off. Baby, go ahead and cut the light off.
I get money, I get paper, I get girls all different flavors. I buy Gucci, I buy Prada, I spend dollar after dollar. I get money, I get paper, I get girls all different flavors. I buy Gucci, I buy Prada, I spend dollar after dollar. And I'm the rookie of the year, about to get my dough on. I'm about to take off, baby, you should hold on. But I ain't about to prolong, I'ma keep it short and tell you what's about to go on. Bottle after bottle, cause the money like so long. Biggest movie ever, we about to put a show on. I'ma show off like I'm supposed to, yeah. You can get lost, I don't know you.
I hear my phone ringing when you call. I ain't picking up or entertaining them at all. Got your girl face down, banging on the wall, while you and all your homeboys hanging Lenox Mall. I cannot relate. Riding with some tags that I got from out of state. Riding with a swag that I got from outer space. Just show me who's the hottest, I'ma knock him out his place. Call me homicide Drizzy, about to kill your ego. I'm about my green, puffing goody like I'm CeeLo. You can go and take a glance at your hero, while a Houston stripper pole dancing to zero. Fantasy to you, reality to me. And yeah, my G-Pass is as valid as can be. I'm so fresh, the stylist would agree. Waving at your girl while she smiling back at me.
I get money, I